Well guys, we're here and I'm just gonna set up a few things, and I just raked. We normally forget the rake, but this time I actually remembered it. So I raked, and now I'm gonna put my carpets down and get out all my stuff. So, because we're here 5 nights, so we're setting up camp this time. Don't mind the sweat, it is a million degrees out, and just doing that little bit of work is brutal. So I have my carpet set up on the ground, and I have my lights up, my awnings out, bikes are out, my table's out, my barbecue's out. We probably won't use the barbecue unless it's this windy, because it is pretty windy and we don't like to light fires when it's that windy. But whew. So I'm gonna finish some wine and then
start fires, we can start dinner.
Relax, hopefully, and then we'll have to do some touring later. Go, 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 go! This? Better?
Yeah.
Better?
Better.
Oh, this ain't gonna work. Okay, where are we going?
At the end of the road. Oh, is it a downgrade? Oh, that's really good.
Oh, yay!
Yep. So that pathway probably goes to it.
It's pretty empty.
That's empty over there. Wow.
Well, it's also a Monday after a Canada Day long weekend, so.
There it is, right there.
My poor brakes! Oh!
So I'm probably gonna be shut.
With the purple phone in his hand.
Oh, so sexy. So sexy.
Really monetized.
Yeah, demonetized.
Everybody's here.
You got the side boob, you got the leg. Well guys, Damien is in bed. Michaela has to go to bed still. It's still pretty early. What time is it?
5 to 9.
5 to 9. So Damien just went down and he should be out for the night, and I'm actually going to hang some streamers for him because it is his birthday tomorrow, and I don't even think the kid really knows. So we're gonna hang some streamers and maybe a balloon or two and bake a cake for him, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. So yes, tonight. You don't have to be up. I'm gonna bake a cake. It's not like I'm gonna be using a mixer.
You're doing it by hand? You need
Yep.
pipes to do it then.
Should be interesting doing it by hand. Oh, and that's Mom and Dad's trailer right there. So we managed to get them facing each other, which is nice. So we're just gonna hang some streamers. Okay, so I just finished and it doesn't look as great as I was hoping, but he'll appreciate it, so that's what matters. I'll just go around and show you. So I kind of did the trees, and then I hung all over this area. So that's what it looks like. And then, so as soon as he walks out the door, he will see the balloon with some ribbon. And I meant to show you, or I don't know if I did show you, but this was his birthday present. He got a Transformers Bumblebee bike, and he also got a helmet as well, a Paw Patrol helmet. So that's what he got for his birthday. What do you think, beautiful kid? Huh? What do you think? Is your brother turning 4 tomorrow? Is it your brother's birthday tomorrow? Huh? You're just walking around? Are you happy, girl? Yeah, you happy girl, aren't you? What are you looking at? I love you. What's that noise, huh? What's that noise? Well, I just completed my first trailer cake. Looks pretty dang good. They came out like perfect. And the trick I used was I put a slate tile in there, and it actually looks like it cracked apart, but it worked because it distributes the heat evenly instead of just having one straight flame around the middle.